Alright, unicorns, so I wanted to just make a quick video explaining what I would like you to do for this assignment. So, in the book that you just heard me read, it talked about a ton of different fairy tales. The Three Little Pigs was in there, Jack and the Beanstalk, Sleeping Beauty. There's lots of different fairy tale stories, and hopefully you know of at least one of them. In my example, I used Little Red Riding Hood, but I want you to pick a different story. And when you pick this story, you're going to record a video, or at least record your voice, and I want you to tell me the story. So you're going to tell me the plot, what happens in the story, in the beginning and the middle and the end. And then, once you're finished telling me the story, you're going to tell me who the characters were, where was the setting, what was the conflict or the problem, and then what was the theme, or what was the story trying to teach you. So to do this, you're going to click this blue button right here, and I've already submitted it, so it says Resubmit Assignment, but yours will just say Submit Assignment. And you're going to come right here and click Record/Upload Media. And this is going to pop up, and all you have to do is hit Start Recording, and it will count down for you. And then you can go ahead and tell me the story, the characters, the setting, the conflict, and the theme. And when you're finished telling me all about your fairy tale or all about your story, you're going to hit Finish. And then if you want to put the title right here, you can, but you don't have to. You can just push Save. And then right here, it's all ready to go, and you just click Submit Assignment. And then I will be able to watch your video and hear all about your story. So this is how we're going to practice this week, knowing the plot, the characters, the setting, the conflict or the problem, and the theme. But mostly I just want you to tell me a story. I'm excited to hear your stories.